Hello student, today we are going to read the next and the last part of the chapter Quality. We have read that Mr. Gessler was a good artist who made the boots with hard work and dedication. He didn't compete with the big shoe companies. Now, in this part, the narrator was very upset to see Mr. Gessler, who seemed to have grown older by 15 years, and he again ordered for many pairs of boots. It takes longer to make them, but the quality is even better than the previous one. Soon after, the narrator leaves for abroad and returns after over a year. The first shop goes to Mr. Gessler. Mr. Gessler, now 75, is unable to recognize him at first. Narrator gives a huge order. The wait is longer than ever. The wait is longer than ever, but the quality only gets better. After a week, while passing the little street, the narrator thinks to go in and tell Mr. Gessler that the boots are perfect. But when he goes to the place where the shop was, the name of the shop was gone. He was very disturbed, and when the narrator goes into the shop, a young English face greets him. It had been taken over by some Englishman. The narrator inquires about Mr. Gessler and comes to know of younger Gessler's death. When narrator heard this, he was quite shocked. The young man explained to him that poor old man died from starvation. He used to devote himself to shoemaking so much that he used to forget about everything else. His business failed, for it took a long time to supply the order. All the money went in the rents and leather. The fact was quite obvious from the beginning. He never made any advertisement. He used the best leather. He never gave himself time to eat. He was very hardworking. He was a character who made really good boots. Now let's see what we have learned from the story. Question number 1 is, who does the phrase poor old man refer to? Who does the phrase poor old man refer to? Options are the author, Gessler's brother, Mr. Gessler the German bootmaker, or none of the above. Correct answer is Mr. Gessler the German bootmaker. Question number 2 is, what did Mr. Gessler die of? Options are, he died of starvation, he died of illness, due to tension, or due to loss in business. Correct option is, he died of starvation. Next is, Mr. Gessler lost his customers because dash. Now, we have to complete this statement by choosing the correct option given below. The options are, he took long time to meet the order, he always made an advertisement, he used good quality of leather, or he used bad quality of leather. The correct statement that will complete the statement is, he took long time to meet the order. Question number 4 is, what made Gessler's condition miserable? Options are, work honestly, work for long hours with empty stomach, work with less interest, or not work properly. Correct answer is, work for long hours with empty stomach. Students, now it's time to practice some questions from the story. So, let's try to understand. Here we come to working with the text. Question number 1 is, why did the author order so many pairs of boots? Did he really need them? Question number 2 is, give a character sketch of Mr. Gessler. That's it for today, kids. Till then, don't underestimate anyone. Appreciate everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.